I just purchased the Losi Baja Rey. We're gonna get this thing out of the box, take a quick look at it, and then we'll take this truck out and drive it for its very first time to see what I think of it. Let's get this thing cracked open. In the box, they include a Spektrum DX5 3-channel DSMR transmitter, and this is actually a very solid stock radio for a ready-to-run vehicle, so I'm really excited to see that this is included. They also give you an instruction booklet, 4 AA batteries for the transmitter to get you going, a 24 and a 25 tooth servo insert so you can run different brands. They threw in a cover for the front LED light bar on the truck, and they also have a little scale plastic piece to throw on the fuel cell in the rear of the truck. One of the really cool features of this truck is the licensed 4-piece Ford Raptor body. You can remove the hood, cab, and then the 2 rear fenders individually. Now Losi threw in a lot of cool scale details on this truck. They also have a fully functional spare tire in the rear. Now this truck is packed with Spektrum electronics. We have the Firma 130 amp ESC paired up with a 3800 kV sensorless brushless motor. Now this truck does come with an IC5 connector soldered onto the ESC out of the box. I run XT90 connectors, so I went ahead and I got an adapter with a little housing for the plug. Turning the front tires, we have the Spektrum S614 steering servo, and then hooked up to the Spektrum DX5 radio is a Spektrum SR6200A receiver. What's nice about it is you can hook it up to the higher end Spektrum radios. Besides the electronics, this updated version of the Baja Rey has a new third member with some larger bearings. The Baja Rey platform's been out for quite a few years, so just brushing through the rest of the truck, we have independent front suspension with some metal universals up front, and then a full solid axle in the rear. This thing has front, center, and rear differentials that are all open. The shocks are mostly plastic, but they do have some aluminum caps on them. This truck has front and rear sway bars and an aluminum chassis. So on paper, it seems like a pretty solid platform. Let's get this thing outside to give it a test. Here we go, guys. First run with the Losi Baja Rey. I threw in a 3S 6500 milliamp Ovonic pack. This thing rips. The suspension is just insane. Man, those front tires do balloon quite a bit. It looks like I already cracked the front bumper. I'm sure the cold weather didn't help, but it was taking a lot of hard hits on the front end, so it is what it is. We'll just keep running it without one. Man, this truck is a ton of fun so far. Love the way the suspension works. Really soaks up everything at high speeds. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.